Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair knocking out an oil change in the Yamaha 1100 Virago, 1989 model. Put it on a center stand. This one had a 19 millimeter to drain it, draining it out of the side. Now you got to get to the cartridge filter, which is behind this, but that bolt is behind that. All right, so I took this 14 off here where the back of the foot peg mount was here, and then I took the bolt off of here, the nut off of there, and that gave me the room here to pull this out. There's also another one here, which is a 14 that just sits in the end. It looks like that one right there. All right, we pull that one out, and now it's just hanging down, and I have enough room for everything. Just going to get that out. All right, so 3 5 millimeters. I already took the bottom one out. Okay, that's right there, a long one, and it's draining oil out of there. So let's get these other two off. All right, the front one and the back one. All right, just be gentle, twist it back and forth. There's a little section here. If you got to put something in there, just be gentle, work it out, and here it comes. All right, filter's right in there. Well, let's pull this filter out. Whew. Dirty. All right, so with the filter back in, these three right here, tighten those back up. Don't over tighten them, just make sure they're snug. Put some oil on the O-rings when you put it back in. I put this nut back on here, and then the other one on the back side there. That's the only ones you need to take off. All right, got the drain bolt back in. Now let's fill. It says right on here 3000 cm3. It's 3000 cc's. Let me get it filled up. Choose whatever oil you want. Just make sure that it's safe for wet clutches. All right, now there's a window under here that you can pay attention to. It has a high and low on it. About 3/4 of the way up is high and 1/4 is low. And that's where 3000 cc puts it before I start it up and get oil into the oil filter. And you can see the dashes right there, the silver colored dashes. There's your high and your low. See, we're right at the high. All right, so after starting it, letting it drain back down, this is where I'm at. Now that the oil filter is filled, so I'm just going to top it up to that top line. And there we go, guys. We are good as gold. Going to go take it for a ride. All right, guys, so that's it with the Virago oil change. It's pretty simple. One of the things people get confused about is the cc's. It says cm squared, I think, on there, to the third, whatever it says on there. It all converts to cc's when you're looking at the oil capacity on the engine casings. So make sure you run it afterwards. You have it on the center stand when the bike is straight upright, and then check it, let it drain back down again, let it sit for a minute or so, and then just top it off if you're doing an oil filter change and everything. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Get those oil changes done on those bikes and keep that oil clean, and the bike will last a very long time. Until next time, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. It's Tepcocyclerepair.